Hey everybody, got an '06 Buick Rainier with no power to the DLC. Let's see if I can get in here and show you what I got going on. And 4 and 5 on this thing is ground. It's lightly touching, so don't spread the pins out too far. 16 is power, and I have no bulb. It's not lighting up my light bulb. So I'm gonna track back and see what I can find. Gonna check the fuse to it, and if you can see, the fuse is number 13, goes down to pin 16 on the DLC. Look on the cover here, 13's right there. If you come over here and check, 13 is right there, and it looks like it's got a new fuse in it, but I'm going to test it real quick. Alright, see my bulb lit up, both sides of the fuse. It tells me that fuse is good. Now to do a little digging. The plug on the back of the fuse box here, where the fuse is at, says it's connector 2, pin D9. Go over here and I've got the connector out, and I'm on pin D9, and that goes to pin 16 in the DLC. Which I've also got my wire in that, or my connector in there. And when I check, it shows I've got resistance. So I'm going to double check that circuit by lighting up my headlight. If it lights up my headlight, then that tells me I'm not getting power to the DLC, because the power from the fuse here isn't getting to here, which I've had lots of problems with these fuse boxes. So let me get my light hooked up and we'll check it that way. My power probe hooked up, got my headlight hooked up here to battery, and the ground anyway, and the other end hooked up to pin D9. I'm going to power the pin 16 on the DLC, and let's see if the light lights up. Okay, well, that circuit's good all the way up to here to this fuse box, but I'm not getting power to the DLC, which tells me it's between the fuse and the plug. So the fuse box has a problem. Let's see if I can find that. Decided to do a little testing on the fuse box here, and you can see I'm hooked up with a power probe, and when I power it up, you can see no voltage. But when I power it up and move the fuse, And it seems to be a little sloppy in there. You just kind of pull it right out. So it may have been, I don't know why, but testing it, maybe spread them terminals open in there. But either way, either I tear this thing apart and close them or put another one in it. I'm going to talk to my customer and see what they want to do. We put a used fuse box in this, and now I'm going to see, oh, look at that. I've got power to the DLC. Now I can put the computer on it and check codes.